Some leafy greens for our dinner. It's a little bit dark now. Here's my garden harvest. This is pak choy.
We're making dinner.
Yes. What's dinner, Josh? Do you know?
No, wait, it's vegetables with fish.
Yes. And then we have here the pak choy that I harvested from the garden
And
earlier.
some squash.
Yes, kabocha squash. We are saving the seeds for this like spring, so we could plant them in the garden. And then we have string beans and what else, Josh?
Can I eat?
No,
You want?
it's you can, yeah, no, it's not salad. It's more of like for cooking. It's going to be tough to eat, I think. String beans, and do you like okra?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll probably save. This should be enough. You don't need that many kabocha squash. Maybe a little bit more just in case some of them don't germinate. I'll try to plant this maybe around March. And here are the vegetables that I will be using. Kabocha squash, string beans, and then okra, and then the pak choy later. Kabocha squash first. Later, when the kabocha squash is cooked, we can add the like string beans. Oops. Now let's add the okra. Okra is not in season this time, so they are not as pretty as during summertime, for example. They are probably grown in like in a greenhouse.
Can I just put one?
Yeah, sure. Satisfying.
Satisfied.
And then
For seasoning, we're gonna use
ginamos. But this is for later, so it's not as like, it doesn't smell as stinky. When it's almost done, you can put this, and then it won't be like as like stinky in the house. And this is fermented fish. But we have this one, which is really like really super effective in absorbing the smell from cooking.
We have a sponsorship for that thing over there. If you want to go see that video, we have a link for it.
Yes, and it's also available at Amazon, so we'll also put the link down below. That one is very, very effective in absorbing the smell of, like, say, fermented fish.
And efficient.
Yes, yes. And also we are using this one. Smoked fish, another a little bit stinky, right?
Yes. Oh, I can already smell it.
Yeah.
I can smell it through the plastic.
It will taste so good.
Yeah.
Very nutritious too, because of the kabocha squash, the okra, and then the string beans. Oh, and then the vegetables from the garden. This one. Pak choy. Not yet. I need to wash it. Not yet washed, but like, you know, you can take charge after I wash this. And then you can put this. You can put the string. Oh, maybe not yet.
I'll do it one by one.
Yeah, sure. But I don't think the 1 second. I don't think the okra is ready.
I think I need to do this more efficiently.
Yeah, you can put more. I am using this like smoked fish, which I washed already. So let's just add this here. So I have the air purifier there turned on. Just adding this here, and then There you go. And then in a little bit, I'll add the pak choy. Now let's add the pak choy. And then turn off. Oh gosh. So we're eating in the living room.
We're eating in the living room so we could watch TV.
Yeah. We're eating with rice, so rice and soup. Here's our soup with just doing some usual like morning routine.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil. À tes pieds sont cachés des mondes émerveillés, des volets te lèvent de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution. Un problème que le vent se lève de temps en temps, nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Que tu peux traverser la nuit sans tomber. Que tu peux.
We're having coffee. Finished pumping gas. So gas right now is 509 for V-Power. We just dropped off Josh at his math school. Now we're on our way to do our weekly grocery shopping. Here at West Valley, we buy from there too. We are grocery shopping. Look at all this cheese. The store is like all giving up for the Super Bowl. And the cupcakes, the football cupcakes. Which one? We're getting tofu, soft tofu for mapo tofu. We're making mapo tofu. Getting two soft tofu.
She is 19 months.
Yes. Oh, the cookies. Beautiful cookies.
Here you go.
Always get that. We have picked up Josh. Now we're on our way to the Filipino market.
Wait, what? You guys didn't tell me what we're going to.
And a surprise to one venti mango dragon fruit lemonade.
Okay.
Thank you.
Only have 2 arms.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
So, pistachio frappuccino. I haven't had this before because I always order caramel frappuccino.
We're waiting for Daddy.
You went to the
Supermarket.
Filipino grocery. I'm making cheese pimiento, so we got this whipped cream, and then we have the salsa for the tortillas. And husband got this from the Vietnamese market, the salted duck eggs and the rice noodles, the flat noodles for mikatang. Mikatang is a Cambodian like dish that I'm going to make for dinner this week. The recipe is from a Cambodian friend. Have the bread for breakfast and for lunch. And that's it for the fridge. The rest are more of pantry stuff. Oh, the ones that he got from the Filipino market. He got okra, string beans. They are not in season. He got eggplant too. And this is smoked herring. I'm using smoked herring for the laswa. And then shrimp paste. He got this one. Ginamos. Unlike the usual century tuna. With calamansi. And then 555 for the miswa. We have some avocados for the sandwich. We got 5 avocados. So the total of our grocery shopping haul at Ralph's, we went to Ralph's today, is $196.18. And then from the Filipino market, it's about $44. And at the Vietnamese market for the salted egg and then the noodles is maybe around $10. I was about to forget.